Hi everyone, and welcome back. When you look at the Old Testament, one of the weaknesses of the people of Israel, whether they were going through the wilderness or entering into the promised land, is that they found themselves worshipping the idols that came from the pagan or the heathen nations around them. God made it very plain to Moses in the law and the commandments that you will have no other gods or idols before me. In fact, he went on to say it's an abomination to him. So that's the Old Testament. But where are the idols today? And you see, I think we need to understand that the word idol literally means an image or representation of something that requires or demands worship. In other words, it takes our thoughts, our energy, our time. For many Christians, they don't realize that they themselves are bound in idol worship. What do I mean by this? Well, Paul says very simply that we need to put to death all those things that are of an earthly nature. He talks about sexual immorality, impurity, lust, evil desires, and greed. And he says this is idolatry. In other words, for the Christian, anything that takes the place of God in your heart and your mind is an idol. Anything that controls your thoughts, controls your life, dominates your decisions is an idol. Can be money. So you go to church on Sunday, you may even give your offerings, you read your Bible, you go to prayer meetings, but you are driven by money. Your thoughts are money orientated. Can be ambition, can be education, can even be your family. You put your family first. You will do anything for your family and you live for your family and you give your life for your family, but your family becomes an idol to you. It can be fear, can be worry, can be time. People are obsessed with time and losing time and wasting time. It can be sport. It can be your future. What are you going to do? When are you going to do? What next? What then? So Paul says in 1 Corinthians 10 verse 14, he says, my friends, flee from idolatry. That's the attitude we need to have. Let's run away from this. Let's get out of this. I want to put God first in my life, in everything. In every decision, in every action, in all my emotions, in all my thinking, my planning, my purposes, God first. That's what we need. That's what we must have. May the Lord help us.